how to control kids' iPad to see everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for parents, how to control your kids' iPad to see everything they do online. If you want to ensure your child's digital experience is safe and appropriate, you're in the right place. So, as parents, keeping our kids safe online is a top priority. So, I'll teach you how you can set up parental controls, track their activity, and manage their iPad uses effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, go to your settings app, and then let's start by setting up screen time first. So, find screen time, tap on it, and then go to app limits. Now here you can add limit, and then you can choose the category of apps where you want to set the limit. So I'm tapping on social and games and hit next. Now all the apps under social and games will be set to a time limit. So you can put the time limit 1 hour, 2 hour or more. You can even customize the days, like you can choose the days. For example, you can put lesser days on Mondays, and then tap on add. Now come back to screen time and then scroll down, and you can go to content and privacy restrictions, and then toggle it on and set the privacy and restrictions. So you can go to app store, media, web and games, and then here you'll find web content. So if it is set to unrestricted, then your kids can see any site. So you can tap on limit adult websites or only approved websites, and you can even choose the website that you want to limit to your kids. And then come back, and now what you can do is you can use a passcode to secure the screen time settings. So tap on lock screen time settings, and then set a screen time passcode that the child does not know. So when their app gets locked and they want to unlock it, they'll have to put in the screen time passcode, which they won't be able to do. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.